Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create internal hyperlink in a WordPress website, right? As you can see, I'm into WordPress admin dashboard and here is the post section in the left side toolbar, and we are going to click on all post, and here you can see I have written lots of blog posts, right? And here I'm going to open a blog post in the front end, right? So that's why when I move the cursor onto the title of that particular blog post, we automatically see a view option over there, right? And I'm going to right click on that view option and open link in new tab, right? So this is an article post by me in the previous days, and now I am going to add the hyperlink of this blog post in one of my new article, right? So I have just copied the URL of this blog post opened in front and I have just copied it, okay, and here this is another article in WordPress admin dashboard, right? We are into again all post section, and here you can see this is another blog post written by me, and I am going to click on edit in this particular post. For example, I just want to add the hyperlink of that places to visit in Jaipur blog post into the places to visit in Goa blog post, right? So here, after the completion of a line, I have kept my cursor, and now I will click on enter to create a new line or a new block, right? And here I'm going to type read also top 10 places to visit in Jaipur. Okay, I have written the text, right? Now I will select the text on which I want to add the internal hyperlink. So I have just selected the phrase top 10 places to visit in Jaipur, and as soon as I select this phrase or a single word, automatically a pop-up appears above, right? And here there is a link icon. I will simply click on this link icon, and now it is asking me about the URL. It is asking me to type the URL, so I will simply paste the copied URL and then will click on enter, and as you can see, the internal hyperlink has been created with the anchor text top 10 places to visit in Jaipur. Many times students ask us that, sir, can we add hyperlink on a single word as well? Right, you can add a hyperlink on single word as well. For example, let me type a line over here after this paragraph. It is among the top places to hang out, right? I have written this line. Now I just want to select the places word, then also I can select the places word, and as soon as I select that word, then automatically I will click on the link icon getting displayed over here, and I can paste the link and can create the internal hyperlink. So our hyperlink has been created, and here the anchor text is places word, right? Now let me tell you one more tip, right? Always try to add the relevant internal links, right? For example, if you're writing an article on technology, then try to add the hyperlink of a page that is associated to your website of technology niche only, right? If you have created any page in past and that is relevant to that particular article, then only add that particular web page URL as an hyperlink in your new post or new page related to the same niche. Else, if you are adding the link of irrelevant pages in your newly created pages, then what would happen, like people will simply ignore that hyperlink because it doesn't belongs to them, right? It doesn't belongs to their interest, so they will not going to click that particular hyperlink, right? So adding irrelevant links might be reduce your average session duration as well, because people are not going to click on those hyperlinks that are not relevant to their interest. So I would recommend you to only add hyperlink of those pages which are related to the page where you are adding the hyperlink, right? Both pages must be of the same niche, right? Many times students also ask me, sir, can we add hyperlink on any word? No, you should not, right? For example, if I have added the technology related article link on this word Fort Agoda, right? Then it that particular web page is of mobile best mobile phones, right? And it is associated with technology, and if I have added that page URL in on the word Fort Agoda, then what is going to happen? Search engines are going to understand that it is an irrelevant hyperlink, because this particular anchor text is not found in that web page as well. And suppose if a user clicks on this particular anchor text and gets redirected to that web page, then automatically after getting redirected, he or she comes to know that you have added a wrong hyperlink on a keyword or on a anchor text, right? So user will bounce back, right, increasing the bounce rate of that web page and decreasing the average watch time of that web page. So again, it will hurt your SEO in some way. So I would suggest not to add the hyperlink of any web page on irrelevant words as well. So this is how you can create internal hyperlinks in a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.